If you're thinking about buying Axosoft for your business, there are 12 things you need to know before you commit. While it has its strengths, there are several factors to consider that might make other options a better fit. Let's dive right into it. First thing, Axosoft is primarily known for its project management features. If you need a tool focused on managing software development and tasks, this might be a good pick for you. However, when compared to other help desk software like Zendesk or Freshdesk, Axosoft's help desk features aren't as robust. You may find other platforms offer a more comprehensive suite of customer service tools. Next thing, Axosoft offers an integrated knowledge base. This can help your team resolve customer issues faster, but it does have some limitations in customization. Unlike Zendesk, which allows more design flexibility, Axosoft's knowledge base might feel a bit rigid if you're looking to fully brand it. The third thing to consider is the ease of use. While Axosoft is relatively easy to set up, some users report that it can feel a bit clunky, especially when you dive deeper into its more advanced features. Competitors like Freshdesk provide a more intuitive user interface, which could save you time in onboarding. Now, the fourth thing, pricing. Axosoft's pricing is on the higher end, especially when you look at the features it offers compared to others like Zoho Desk or Freshservice. If you're on a budget, it might not provide the best value for money, and you could get more for less elsewhere. The fifth thing, Axosoft integrates well with popular tools like GitHub and GitLab, which makes it great for development teams. But if you're not in software development, these integrations may not add much value to your operations, unlike platforms like Zendesk, which are designed with a broader range of industries in mind. Next thing is the reporting and analytics features. While Axosoft does have reporting capabilities, they're not as detailed as what you'd find with other help desk software like ServiceNow. If you rely heavily on data-driven decisions, you might find Axosoft lacking here. The seventh thing to mention is automation. Axosoft does provide automation, but it's more limited compared to its competitors. For instance, Freshdesk offers a wider array of automation rules and triggers that can really improve your team's efficiency. Now, let's talk about customer support. Axosoft's customer service is decent, but it can be hit or miss. When compared to the 24/7 support you get with Zendesk, Axosoft might leave you waiting a bit longer for assistance. The ninth thing, mobile app. Axosoft offers a mobile app, but it's not as polished as competitors like Zoho Desk. If you need to access your help desk remotely, you might find the Axosoft app lacking in comparison. The 10th thing is collaboration features. Axosoft has basic collaboration tools, but they're not as advanced as those you get with platforms like Freshservice. If team collaboration is a key part of your support workflow, you may want to look elsewhere. Next up, Axosoft's ticket management system is fairly strong, but it might not be as flexible as what you'll find with Zendesk or Freshdesk. For example, categorizing and tagging tickets in Axosoft can feel cumbersome when managing a high volume of support inquiries. The 12th thing to consider is scalability. Axosoft works well for smaller to mid-sized teams, but if you're planning to grow your business significantly, you might outgrow it. Larger enterprises may want to look into more scalable solutions like ServiceNow, which cater better to large organizations. In conclusion, Axosoft can be a good option for specific needs, especially if you're focused on software development. However, if you need a more comprehensive help desk solution with stronger customer support, better integrations, and advanced reporting, we recommend you check out our preferred solution, which you can try for free.